Hi guys, what's up? I want to show you some very important things this morning on some of the most important charts that I have been watching over the last couple of days. The Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart, and the dominance chart, of course. Now I have Ethereum right here. Guys, Ethereum is looking super interesting at this point. In our private community, I did mention that we had this inverse head and shoulders building up on Ethereum, and once we get to break this neckline, there's a possibility of a huge upside for Ethereum and altcoins as well. Over the last few days, we had a deep Ethereum chart deep over to the 20 MA on the daily. So let's just zoom this out a bit and see exactly what I'm saying right here. So you can see right here on the red line where we have a 20 MA, we dip right here Ethereum and bounce swiftly off it and broke the neckline this time. This yellow line we have about around the 36 region, 600 region is where we had this neckline. And then I think something exciting right here. If you got into a long position at that point or before this breakout, then it's a very good entry position. But then again, if you do not have an entry here, you probably be looking at somewhere around this 3600 region. If you want to take a long on Ethereum, that's like a breakout and retest strategy right here, which will be very interesting. I'm probably going to be putting in a huge Ethereum long at that region, right? I'm going to put in a huge long at that region, and as I watch out as the market plays out. But then, if you look at this projection right here, you see that Ethereum has a lot of upside breaking out from this neckline right here. If you measure the distance right here, you could see that we could go all the way to 4,600, 4,700. Now here we have the 1.618. I actually pulled up a fib level here on this chart, and you can see that Ethereum has been able to beat 0.5 to 0.618, and right now around the 0.78 0.786 fib level right here. And the next level, if we crush this, will be the 100 level around the 4K. Ethereum is going to go back to this all-time high. It's a no-brainer that Ethereum is going to go back to this all-time high, and most likely is going to break it this time. If this measurement is complete, we're going to have about a 30% move or thereabouts on Ethereum, taking it to 4.6 or 4.7 before we have any other thing to reconsider right here. Now on the Bitcoin chart right here, dominance, by the way, first, we had this correction over the last few days, and then again the dominance is beginning to like pick up steam a little bit again, breaking above this line. But of course there are resistances everywhere on the dominance chart, and I really think the dominance is going to keep going down. It's not like a regular chart where you have, this W shape and it's going to go all the way, pop back up the way here. No, 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 no. All coins are taking up market share. It's going to continue taking up market share as long as this industry remains. So probably we're going to see something like a resistance at this 46 region or 47 region where you have this wage somewhere around here. We're going to have this resistance or somewhere around here. And then another round of all season is going to start. So you're going to be paying attention to the dominance chart right here to see exactly how it plays out. At this point, we are, I think we're probably about above 70 on this chart right here, just around 69 on the RSI. So you got to keep an eye on the dominance chart dropping. Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin saying? Over the last few days, we've been expecting a huge dump. I mean, we could have probably seen something like this, just around here, a deep back into this region, then back up again, a little bit of consolidation, then a breakout. So, I was expecting something like this, to be honest, and that would have made a lot of sense, like this looks like a goalpost, and we could have just completed the bottom right here. So right now we see Bitcoin consolidating and breaking out of this region. I did mention that we need to clear the 58K region for us to be a little bit safer with the bulls on Bitcoin right here. But then again, this chart still looks over bloated, all right? It would have made perfect sense if we had a retrace to the 52K level before we go back up right here. Of course, at some point the waves are gonna dump this thing. They're gonna dump this thing. We can see a bearish divergence here, which showed why we needed to have that pullback at least until this 53K level right here. I mean, it happened previously, but that was not enough. I really wanted to see this. But then again, I'm still expecting some huge up. I don't know how low it's going to go, but we have some targets. We have some regions right here around the 50, 55, 150 or thereabout, 53, 900, and the 52, 600 region. You have to pay attention to those regions right here on Bitcoin chat. So whatever happens, guys, keep an eye. Bitcoin is likely going to retest this. I mean, I doubt hugely that we're going to run up to this higher channel, but whatever the case be, we know that we are going back to all-time highs. If this continues straight up right here, And that's a good thing. That's a good thing for Bitcoin backs. But then again, if you're looking for pullbacks, you have to wait for the regions right here that we have mentioned. So guys, this is it for the Ethereum chart, the Bitcoin chart, and the dominance chart, guys. If you are stumbling on this channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button right away and turn on the notification bell so you get updated whenever we post relevant content like this. And then again, hit the like button on this video, guys. Guys, this is a way to let me know that you appreciate what we are doing here. Hit the like button. It makes YouTube to help spread our content across other users right here. So guys, cheers and see you in the next update. Bye.